In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slide animations of different photos in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping slideshow that smoothly transitions through your images, perfect for a hero section or a simple gallery. First, log into Card and open your existing project. Give the page a moment to load so the toolbar appears along the top. Click the Add button on the top toolbar and choose Slideshow. This drops a slideshow block onto your canvas. If you don't see its options right away, open the Blocks Settings panel so you can add and manage images. Upload your first image. Card will prompt you to crop it. Use the crop tool to frame the subject the way you want. This is especially helpful if your photos have different aspect ratios, because a consistent crop prevents awkward jumps between slides. When the crop looks right, proceed to add the image to the slideshow. Now look for the Add option at the bottom of the slideshow panel to add a new card, which is simply the next slide. Upload your second image and repeat the same cropping adjustments for consistency. Do the same for your third image. You can continue this pattern if you have more photos, but for now we'll stick with 3 to demonstrate the flow. Remember, using similar dimensions and orientations across your images makes transitions feel smoother and more professional. Next, go to Transitions. Here you can choose how slides change from one to the next. Crossfade blends the outgoing and incoming images at the same time, creating a more dynamic, overlapping dissolve. Fade gently fades one image out before the next one fades in, which feels subtle and clean. Instant switches images with no animation, which can be useful for a snappier, minimal look. Pick the style that matches your page's tone. Adjust duration to control how long each slide is shown and how fast the transition plays. If you want a calm, elegant pace, try longer durations. If you're showcasing multiple photos quickly, shorten it a bit. Watch for readability and pacing, especially if text overlays your slideshow. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply those settings. Save your changes, then preview the page to see the slideshow in action. Check for any cropping issues or timing that feels too slow or too fast, and make small adjustments if needed. Once it looks good in preview, you're ready to publish or continue designing the rest of your page. That's it. Simple, clean slide animations for your photos in Card.